Huawei OceanStor Pacific Scale-Out Storage adopts erasure coding (EC) as its core redundancy mechanism. The EC algorithm splits data into N data blocks and generates M parity blocks, then distributes all these blocks across different nodes or disks. This mechanism is designed to tolerate up to M simultaneous failures of nodes or disks, as the remaining data and parity blocks can still reconstruct the original data for read operations, and write operations can continue without service interruption. Therefore, the statement that the system can still read and write data without service interruption when M nodes or disks are faulty is correct. Therefore, this question chooses true. Huawei OceanStor Pacific's cabinet-level security works with its erasure coding (EC) mechanism to deliver consistent fault tolerance. The EC algorithm splits data into N data blocks and generates M parity blocks, which are distributed across different cabinets under this security policy. This design ensures the system's fault tolerance stays the same across disks, nodes, and cabinets. As long as the number of simultaneous failures does not exceed M, the remaining blocks can reconstruct lost data, supporting normal read and write operations without interruption or data loss. This applies to cabinet failures just as it does to node or disk failures. Even if M cabinets fail, the system can still maintain stable services, so the claim about possible service interruption in this case is inconsistent with the system's actual capability. Therefore, this question chooses false. For Huawei Scale-Out Storage's hyper-replication, a consistency group unifies management for related remote replication pairs to ensure cross-pair data consistency. After pairs join the group, they no longer use their own independent attributes, but follow the group's unified replication attributes, covering recovery policy, replication rate, synchronization type, and more. When administrators modify the consistency group's properties, these changes are automatically synchronized to every pair in the group. All pairs update their working parameters to match the new group settings, ensuring all pairs in the group have consistent replication configurations. This design makes the group's properties take precedence over individual pairs' original attributes, which matches the described rule. This unified management also avoids configuration inconsistencies, supporting reliable disaster recovery for multi-volume businesses. Therefore, this question chooses true. Huawei Flash Storage offers multi-scenario authentication support for NFS shares to fit different network environments. It supports local user authentication for small non-domain scenarios, where admins create local users directly on the storage for access verification without external servers. It also supports LDAP authentication for enterprises with LDAP directory services, connecting to the external LDAP server to sync user info and verify identities. Additionally, it supports NIS authentication, compatible with traditional UNIX NIS domain environments, fetching user data from NIS servers for access checks. These three authentication options cover different enterprise needs, which matches the described support. Therefore, this question chooses true. Huawei OceanStor Pacific Scale-Out Storage's CLI divides operation permissions into different user views, including the regular user view for daily management and the developer view for advanced debugging and maintenance. The system provides a dedicated command to switch the current user's operation view. The command change user_mode, current_mode, user_mode equals developer is the standard built-in command for this switching operation. After the super administrator runs this command and finishes identity verification, the CLI will switch the current session's mode to developer, unlocking advanced commands only available in this view for deep system troubleshooting, internal parameter adjustment, or special maintenance tasks. This command is widely used in various advanced operation scenarios of the storage system. The other optional commands are for completely different functions. The LDAP-related command is for NAS LDAP advanced configuration, the DNS command is for DNS service settings, and the AD command is for Active Directory domain management, none of which are related to user view switching. Therefore, this question chooses B. To access the complete question bank, please click on WhatsApp below the video to contact me.